How to get food stamps in California. First of all, to get food stamps in California, you need to apply through one of three ways: online, by phone, or in person at your local county social services office. If you prefer applying online, you can visit the California Department of Social Services website or your county's portal and fill out the application form. After that, you will need to provide details about your household, income, and assets for eligibility screening. You can also apply by phone by calling the California EBT hotline. They can guide you through the process or send you an application. And if you want a more personal approach, you can visit your nearest county social services office and apply in person. Before applying, make sure you have a few things ready: proof of income like pay stubs or tax returns, proof of assets such as bank statements, social security numbers for everyone in your household, and proof of identity or residency like a state ID or utility bill. Eligibility mainly depends on your income, assets, household size, and whether you are a California resident. So this is how to get food stamps in California. Like and subscribe if this helped.